got to put this foot on that peg. See that peg? Okay, now you got to put that foot on there. You got to get this foot. Right? Okay, you're going to be on one leg. Somebody grab her arm on that side.
Okay, have her swing this leg over first.
This leg, you got to pick this leg up.
All right, but wait, I got to have enough room to move it. Everyone knows you're wearing underwear, so don't be modest. No one cares. Okay, try swinging your... Yeah. Oh my God, she did it. Look at that. She's almost as good at it.
Right back.
Almost better at it than I am.
Tell her about her leg.
Honey, put your leg...
to her real good.
You gotta give yourself some crotch.
Don't ever let her leg down.
Your leg has to stay there.
Never put that leg down.
That's the hot pipe. That's the hot pipe that burnt me.
That's the one you got burnt?
Yeah.
This foot goes right here.
Where?
Right there.
On that peg.
Okay, now what you're gonna do...
Okay, good. Look at me.
Grandma goes for...
I got run over by a reindeer.
Okay, Grandma's gone.
All right.
One more kick, one more kick.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Is that not the best?
No, she needs some bug-eye goggles. And my hat.
Is that not the best?
She look like a cool grandma.
Who else would do that for me?
Thrill of a lifetime. This grandma of 87 years of age has never been on a motorcycle before. I think she did good.
Live wants to put goggles on her for a photograph. What do you think, Pauline?
Afraid.
She was praying?
Afraid.
Oh, she's afraid?
I want to go on the highway and flash.
You might want to take off your glasses. Take off your glasses.
There you go.
Biker babe.
Pull up a little bit.
Yeah.
Now we got her. Take her around the block again.
Around the block again?
Yeah.
Hold on, Pauline.
I don't want anymore.
Okay.
You don't want anymore.
Now I gotta get someone unloaded.
You'll have to go.
Unload.
Ma, he's got to go around again.
You'll have to go around the
pull
block.
up in front of the camper. He can't back this up. Yeah. It doesn't have reverse. Go ahead.
Down the block again?
Yeah. Here she comes to save the day. That means that Pauline is on the way.
I get off first.
Rich gets off first. You stay put. Don't move a leg. So what do you think?
It's all right. I don't know if you can ride that 80 miles an hour without falling off, Mary Ellen.
I don't. I can balance. I don't even have to hold on.
Somebody help her with her leg over there?
Oh, look at, no, she can like swing that leg over her head if she wanted to. Yeah, she's been practicing. You can get him over your shoulder still, right? Come on.
Okay, you're on there. All you gotta do is stand up.
Yeah, but
Move this one over a little. Okay, you're fine.
No, don't put it up yet. Put that foot down.
Put that foot down. You got to stand up
Put
before
your
you...
foot down.
yeah, okay. I'll put it back there.
You gotta,
Stand up. Stand up.
Thank you.
Now grab a hold of this.
All right.
I didn't tell her what we were doing because I didn't want her to think about it.
I wouldn't have gotten it.
I know.
Okay, hold on. Just hold on. Let me get inside.
Oh,
Be careful what you tell us you want.
I just might get it?
Yeah.
Then you might not. Give me a hand. Give me the hand. Give me a hand.
Yeah.
Grab this rail. Railing.
She can't walk, but she can ride.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, now you gotta turn around and wave.
Pauline,
Wave.
turn and wave to Carol.
Turn around.